Now, today marks the first day of hearing oral submissions on whether this year's local government elections can be held. Now, it is chaired by the former Deputy Chief Justice Mokhang Deseneke. Newzroom Afrika's reporter Mbali Thethani gives us an update.
The IEC, and a number of people are asking, these elections, why is it so important for us to go through this process, especially at a time where political parties are divided? Some want these elections to be postponed, while others want them to go ahead.
No, the process is very important, is necessary, because we are dealing with a novel situation. Never before in our democracy have we had to deal with a pandemic of this proportion. So it is important that all issues that implicate the possibility for free and fair elections are properly considered. And those include the constitutional provisions, the law, the submissions of political parties, medical evidence, vaccination program, as well as other views of prominent South Africans. So it is important that everybody participates, they bring to bear their opinions, and those opinions are systematically considered by a person of the caliber of Judge Moseneke. When the Commission has not made as yet a decision whether free and fair elections are possible or not, they'll await the report of the judge, and they'll bring to bear their own views onto that report, and then they'll announce to the country whether a free and fair election is likely in the context of the prevailing circumstances.
As the IEC, you've continuously said that you are technically ready to have these elections, and you drew these examples from the previous by-elections in which we had. When you look at these submissions made by you today, and of course there is this notion that you are hell-bent on having these elections, and this is something that some political parties have also criticized you, and this formed part of your submissions today to the former Deputy Chief Justice.
Yes, we are not hell-bent on an election at all costs. We are awaiting the report of the former Deputy Chief Justice, and once we have the report, the Commission will analyze it, bring to bear their own views on that report, and a determination will be made by the Commission whether in the prevailing circumstances a free and fair election is possible. So we've not reached that point. We have not made such a decision. We are not hell-bent on election which may lead to the death of people.
That is Sy Mamabolo just speaking on behalf of the IEC, looking into this issue around holding the local government elections. And of course, so we know that this report and this investigation is being conducted by the former Deputy Chief Justice Mokhang Deseneke. He is expected to release the report into this matter on the 21st of July. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Mbali Thethani in Centurion.